You've found dozens, maybe hundreds of sources. Now what? Without organization, you'll drown in information. A well-organized literature review tells a coherent story, not a random collection of summaries. Today, we'll learn organizational strategies that transform chaos into compelling narrative. There are 4 main ways to organize literature: chronological, by time period; thematic, by topic or theme; methodological, by research approach; and theoretical, by theoretical framework. Each approach works best for different purposes. Let's explore when to use each one. Chronological organization traces how research evolved over time. Start with foundational studies, move through developments, and end with current state. This approach works beautifully when showing how understanding has changed, when fields have distinct historical phases, or when tracking how debates evolved. Thematic organization groups sources by topic or theme. Identify 3 to 5 major themes in your literature. Under each theme, discuss relevant studies together regardless of when they were published. This approach highlights what's known about different aspects of your topic and reveals how themes connect. Methodological organization groups studies by how research was conducted. One section covers quantitative approaches, surveys, experiments, statistical analyses. Another covers qualitative methods, interviews, observations, case studies. A third might address mixed methods. This approach helps when methodology significantly affects findings. Theoretical organization groups research by the theories used to explain findings. Studies using social cognitive theory go together. Those using behavioral approaches form another group. This structure works well in theoretically rich fields and helps readers understand how different theoretical perspectives shape research conclusions. How do you choose? If your field has clear historical development, consider chronological. Multiple distinct topics? Go thematic. If methodology significantly impacts results, try methodological. Theory-driven fields suit theoretical organization. Often, you'll combine approaches, perhaps chronological within themes. Match structure to your content. Create a literature matrix to manage your sources. Build a spreadsheet with columns for author, year, methodology, key findings, themes, and your notes. As you read each source, add a row. You can then sort by theme, methodology, or date. This matrix becomes your organizational command center. Once you've chosen your organizational approach, build your outline. Create main sections. These become your literature review's skeleton. Add subsections as needed. Allocate specific studies to each section. Arrange for logical flow. Each section should lead naturally to the next. Your outline is your writing roadmap. Remember, organization isn't just about tidiness, it enables synthesis. A well-organized review reveals patterns, gaps, and connections that chaos hides. Choose the approach that best serves your content and purpose. Create your literature matrix. Build your outline. Transform your pile of papers into a compelling scholarly narrative. Next video: synthesis versus summary.